Ebusia madam asema makwaba eba too much for the case here so eyo memu nsem na maboabo no e de besum na ase na be hye dwumede na se no mestra wo se obe share link na e de ama odofo share ma wunie bi se na dan ni da too much je edwa se ne eboabo yensema no de besum a e de bi se bibia kwakodedi asofo mienu a chese mo twe sra ni abasa we tuma ne yonko na we atoma ne yonko so wo bua eye so moja na wo ye ni nyina no wa frem chese ayampia no adoso ensemi de bebre na kerim sa Sofo mienu wo mo ekun the win free eight member ntero so dida no aba beto asemi ibu asemi ya nso so le win na wadanfo pass so Reverend Obofour 31st night kra no eho na wo kwa ye chese wa Sofo ya sorry ya de de ko bai efa dwumedie mu eni game eni obo kwa zatani de ne ya na eye ados mesere mo pa abusa mo me ko he video no abra chese Reverend Obofour eni e papa adum che di a chese wo mu di o mu watem enya asem kuta le we so e de na ba beto asem ni bi de ko he video ni ba nsem e die kire no me beba abesom
Msiro Nyankopon but say be ka no kura kire nipa de mama ye nsuro me see adwunu enkura nyansa adwunu bi kuta na mka chensa ampa mini no o me starting kasa what is wa kan asem ni biom onka biom what your age enkura nketua na wudi what me agina manim suro kura what dey kakra na afi no anya afi no ahuru sika no wo be gina manim wo bodam wo ya bofra one for we Jimmy na ntanasi afi na police motor di wani ma convoy di wani ma we Jimmy abeta no wanyine na wa Jimmy na wunimi I'm being honest with you. Whoever that they will send you here, believe me, our voice will conquer you. And as for now, oh, I can't be said. Obofour will go down. Obofour will go down. Somebody can break him down. Can bring him down. You destroy him. Nobody. Born by a woman. Minidi atem. Mati, I'll come down for you. Mati. You know, gospel no. Yes, I'm going to me and you over to Yohane Suboni. Only so the respect man. Yes, to the respect command John the Baptist. Omi mamenka the general. As for omo spiritual work, omo Jimmy into omo nchane say. And then mamenka security in chemo. Anya duro na ya no makotu o. Omo Jimmy ni say, onya hunu $2 million per omo bi da. $2 million per o. Na Jimmy na bete afi oh $3 million. Oh, 5 and oh 10 they are on that. Meanwhile, if you are Timukra, be $200,000. Na Jimina ba. Oh, $10 million bomunda. Na count credit $20 million there already. Okasa. Or the I didn't go to come Katana who say Jimina be drew $20 million pay. Oh, just $20 million. Than Jimmy for. Forget about his age. So if we saw $500,000, who bid that? Na Jimmy na bete. Jimmy no nyate me dio eye asem. Jimmy can say that he did atem misro. Me bacho misro. Me ni di atem. Na nenkwasi asem na bete un say ase on kasa mi enkase epokra ye ne dia. Yo, you are poor man. Poverty is controlling you like that. Please. More multi ministry na chino. We will die and go. Last time me a message we may say. Anyama yeah mistake, you know. Don't follow suit. Regardless. Mama juni munyemu na. See, I'm better on social media and some of the Facebook I'm going to be so people who watch me. And then also for preach one sermon. Na sermon in I kutia. Bible no way. Bible. You know, hear me out. A human I can't see me practical. It's a practical. And your theoretical way. Say you no. We have to prove and demonstrate what we are preaching. Yo, bro, we shall be manual. Yeah, you know. The boys are not smart. Me say me my brother about to say Mayweather. Yeah, Bishop. No, I'm not minding anybody. I'm minding the business. Ajumana yesu di jayen. Last. My final statement. Me say me metiasi. Se me nguya. Gospel no. Obi antimi mreki. Dokuta. Oye angel of Afosono Ferris. Dokuta mame water. Dokuta papa water. Dokuta wine. Nobody. Odo pa manin Tony Penina, manin to church elders, manin committed this in Tony Pound. We see a miracle items now, oh, Tony, na ma who's always known. But whatever you are carrying, who's is so dying, or that dear, now the blocks are firm. When you bring your Juma, how many years and a war? Johnny, Ultra Methodist group. Ultra Pentecost group, Ultra Presby group, Bibia Ultra group, one person who could sky a day. And he is sky. And I'm sorry, I think it's about 4. And I'm D. I'm PC. My wife from New York and nice, the brand. Very nice food. I'm PC and Contumra Yechi. Obofour and opinion I'm in idea. Mesika gu bank so ni di ye. Me nkwa na me di ampesie. Ti mewu no na bebre da so guo. Go bode e boy esai. Di Sofo ensem na wo kan ni pa nyina hu se wo ye Messiah. No say one day but here no so ye Yesu. For you man. Go to hell. Enti asofo na moto na muntie me no. And Obofour nti ye po bia mana be hwe osofo me nsa ya kan fa me ho Ghana no ye kan bi fa ho a o ton fried rice ko bi meto bedan me ko baby you do kro ni nyina da na abutu enipa to me no matter what you do people love me. I'm not beefing, I'm straightening matters. Ade ba ko amenya ne se metewo under my watch na nyam dwuma nim gu asa me mpene da. You get me? So mon fan shamo dwunu mu se ye ni Sofo papa was as so oboa eye marketing strategy menta obi a o Osofo ma men kan sem ba ko nkire mu nyina na Asofo obi etie me. Last time I'm Minister of Kennedy cancer because of Sofo. The nyamia me no. Sika me wo me the aiden. Ask yourself. Me church Natalia na me to share the price. Say me. Minim time I di pesca na minim time I di diska. Man of God, I feel na won huska. Man say wonu am. E amra na wutu ba betom. E Jimmy Jai. Sofo what Jimmy? When you be when you na ja unyansa. Say ka obi ni de ni nyansa o mu sawurade. When you know Jawnyansa, and Papa Yasam, I'm telling you, maybe see a monty and me a cause traffic. You know, there's nothing that you can do about that. e me so me dia ama me no obi dia onya obeye picnic obeye ho gado emfa inti come wo se me introduce you me hear video say Sofo bi anim te say kraman o ma bloggers be jima jimi ni ba no obi e kasama I said I agree but Ghana will addict you. Ghana will put your work through fire and they'll know if you carry the real gold. Chaisa will cast away a Messiah. You're not a Messiah. Under my watch, you cannot be a Messiah. You are foolish. You're just a foolish idiot. I'm being honest with you. Tighten yet. As would do Jache. Would you the computer and the digger? Because I saw them here told me, I must say, and so cassette here, baby. When I see you go against things that you're doing, I say, wow, this guy is a pretender. He's a calm artist. Nti wa uti social media no so na Sofo bia bedwudwa na num wo cassette ya Sofo no oboa me so ye criminal che obia count me fra but ono ye damn criminal se lockdown e ko yi e na ona book in Japan ona bo me chiao olmai God bless you so much omode nsam ko to na nimo na tu no ne ka me nu fa na ho a ko ni akokoba Kawoni akokoba awona soro ho ena na ho aye din ena wo kasa no enema ye ya famu no o famu 2 days you can own a church you're deceiving your church members abibi do na woton ena what to din what let's check it at the end of the afra. So get your money and shut up, man of God. You're making your money, but shut up and stay at your one corner. Shut up, man. They can't say it because I'm can't throw. Osofo a oti kurom a ono wa de miraculite and some many perfected minim no Kenya ase nyende kisika wonyam dwumam wade ahira no wasisi apartment e fasika ohun obi fulo ekọ a wose Africa that times so there many penny na nyebon something or the man you know when people don't know where they are going to and once na kura wate bibi e bon a eno nti no wo ba wo a lot of prophets have lost their focus. Maybe they were not called by God. And a mama small me kind of maybe bamu someone dance the any sense so na me be na afremo. Mona si die wen. Ya beto Pentecost, ya beto Methodist. Omo nipa na buy home Bible. I can't say teachia ne bia be Sunday members ne abenya asore Osofo bo akokora o bo akokora nyame adom obie kwan ma no se didi kakra ahia wache didi mvie be du oda woni de oluma didi ene yo youngest ntwempna minimula nyina wo twempna dwamanfo ba ma bia ne wo chew Samintina bukachi se oka se onimi na se me ntwanto se onimi pa na dwamani bia ne wo chew eno kura so de obama no ze mo emre 63 eno ye 60 udidi wo hwe ma me ya we hwe ma you know but insane pastor ye we Messiah you're not the Messiah you are the chief executive officer of akokra hwe ba ewenyam dwumam you are prophet Jamin Edima direction man. So I mean you wanna see people doing that say me a holiness hey fuck you.
Ho kofobia sankole asangagba bugoso Christia takwa dumpa obuase awomaso offenso na bibia no one branch keke baako don't see so be a with that in Biogana. What I say? You would ye. Sister Cassa. Macas, you can say you may for them. You saw my man, you feel on them. Number pitching and Kenny Pacuma. No trafaco. And when you see Kajia Basabasano. Consultancy fee 2,000, 3,000. Consultancy fee 2,000, 3,000. Consultancy fee. Our 1 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, 5,000. Are they? Munkutumpa and Benjamin Mumpa with them. Mumpa members in actual Azamayo, Munaku Mamanjam, Namuaka Tragic. Now, Obia Bampo, and many people, if you have my most selected at them. Now, more bloggers and Mugu YouTube from Mujim, Sabo, Namu, Obia Scaramach now, Muju Bratam. The Dompananchen, when you tell Oba Panano. The Biampananchen, Osano, no me become. The Biampananchen, Yavinam Supananchen, the age of one, one count, one of one, no to the buffalo. Now, Selentino, Yabapa Gidiatam, Yakubu Shakaba Previous on Yeda. Let me tell you guys. You find the Biam, in fact, I don't know, so for some 20. Never perfect and 20. Young could age no one 60-something years no. Our one no one has that. No one to the powerful. XXL. No, we did that. You're going to find out that. Now, one boom. See a bug, no one just coming. No one create. One create. Yes, cabin, ye did it. Yes, cabin, ye did. Who pes Kyei? This cabin, a year. See, one is on your way. And this can for being and so we be. And now, Obi Papa. And this can say, Obi Ding, a penny pan your money. And this can go and be sent upon the Abanipan home with that. I want to pay. I am passing on us and also as it is cat, the same D. CIash says cannabis contract. Two guys, the bloggers. I'm Mugu social media. From Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube everywhere. I'm way a man sent fata. I'm Mutiska, SM Police at this meeting. Most say as of when we do, Papa, a woman. Let me tell you guys, you will suffer this earth. Let me tell you guys. How? On my Ghana. How? Just question na. Still na be diati. Your son adwo nam. Your son just na no pa. Eto nyime 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Because yan ko just na ye di ko mede me. Eso bi tin chance say le wi ayi when sika. Oh, was that what you drew? Let me to start so. And I said from January 223. First week now I'm starting moving. Midnight. As I say, you try some bush. Oh, Pabel 2 hours. Since so far, went to me Fiji, then you want my circles, my uncle come to me. Me say be ya. Eba bon chama ko fa hwe, ne manya bibia didi. Me tani dem. Na odwan pe to say, akwaje sikado. Ya di sikado ta ko trabus e ko Obofour. Ya di sikado esa ko se ko fu boto ejimi bush answer yi. Ah? Ade Ghana. Please, munya san ko se mo no. Na Ghana yenyini, Ghana yenyini, o ma na ko nanim. Yenya sebe sa enkwasasem no. Na mo ya san bu ko mo mudi. Mo ya san ebu nkofo. E mo mudi. Anya mo ati adwuma ni ho. Ana e bo pa na mudi so. Me say papa we Adom chebia oba na odo. Buso bia oba na odo. Wanyini wonum nyansa, wonum kasa. Woji obi atum o na brabom. Opia, to Sofo picture hwenimpo. Ne yire Sofo ma mempo tinipa dom mu. Ma Millicent o tinipa dom mu. Sofo ma me anka nyame pejam ministry kese we as what in padomu so mama tin padomu no akunya posi papa so papa panyini Adom Kyei wo jana so more than 5 hours for preaching on tenase osa wo dotima onaza till before and after my Canada we are Sofo ha awo wo di atemono Sofo wo di atemono we are Bema wo TV station no fa onwuma beto so fa yade a wasan krofo e man fa ba so benya yarsa abenya scan from before and after bra yeah wo bi atimi nobody obi atimi da ebi nsida so from mudi atemono Adom Kyei atemono ambo pa no mo fa onwuma amachire se mo so ma ha se ba nso dom honom di Yakoba ayama no tama na wote ene le nyama ayama ne de mo fa video mra papa yi no vision na odo ready ntino na onu se emebeba my age 50 something 60 years no say the mercy to chance I want to be before videos and we bro Nigeria mem eba Ghana Mexico obuasi ekwa homa so and we picture like TV nya only in video onom. Yes, he know his future say that's me make say he know cause what change me e me nyame siesie no e da Adom ne ma no to okasa pe eboko on fansan to so wo pie pe hu na eboko Adom na ekase bompa ese Nyankopon sa anfuma na munya sa libre bone no wo benya nka nko na nka nko a na mu bu nkofo this year mbo obi enete nyansa no ewure ni padiri mu oma no nyansa bammo ti adweda ho e ma na penant nante e ma na pataji nchini enkin so ni bia e ma na dosu ani egumma ani asofo no sa ne mani bi da yensa wonkofo ti yensa wonkofo yire manfo yire because yes o ma me ye before o ma me na ye no ni fear dey ho ahwan enti onya kwankire so for the musa one know what the said lukunduku e manfo yire bele na wade mpa yeye ti na ma wade pii gu na wei wasa nya no bedi di waba Adom Kyei papa yi wa oba o de sem papa aba wo tufu se nyansa bi ni padwim se hwini wo be ye be na wo be hu ne o ba waka no wo ye ba ne be afo no bebre ho ase hia kasa fani de ma de ndesa no that's fact usho we ya be nyina che ada ina ma mo nipa edi ya sa ga mo send mo mo me abese ma hwe kurampu what down so ma honom ana bedi obi soft obi nyam sum atem how of course Adom Kyei ase hwini ho entimo nti ase na hwini ho ba so e de na ofabra bi wo ofabra where to ba wusi be yo wusi obiko mu eden ombe mu amena ye no opa na ye no obi tena ni jesu papa isi hwi no enti ko be na obiem obi aso ne nsarema ti kacha won nsarema no se ampa be yo tunu ho fine ene e won nsarema ana Adom Kyei ase mimi Adom Kyei the voice of God Believers Worship Center Philadelphia busapanyini chekudio chemo mane memese nyame anim dachi hwi ni ho we bubu mumu hwe yakum mu na wo nyansa we eto adwin eto adwin we ni bana neko we ni bana neko the first night lipo e ba yin no omu go bita ebisu sida Ono be say bleki. This year 31st times 40. Cause asana almost 800 acres. And the edge to anase bompata. Cause in the future say a maybe ba next year yanko. That's asay to kakaraka 800 and something acres. Now me le kweti moto untimi mto. Wato da ho. The last 2 years no. This last year so 2.5 million. This year I say BM akwachi because I cost out to 3 at 40. Tafena mubu. Ti adu cheri na be say breki sa record we. Cause mo maka be obi antim breki na assassin na akoto. Assassin da he. Sasasi nyama re to ho ma no. Tawo no obre o Nigeria no. Osiesie ma no. Sa dom mishrawa adno kesia wachita for dos di pa be sam do agwadi biem ti place bia obi na ho sa sabra santimam no kanya se o share kanya se ma hene be ma eje no ados no on pass as for afi anase bom pata kwaje almost 800 acres anya santi ka be de linkini pa koso ti this year they expected 4.5 million people for the day movement. Cause you never saw to. Ya can never crack up with Chaba. Have a fan for Chiri, Bubenya. Won't mean in your pada. Jai. No, one pie. Send a mupia piano. One piece and a monoma yase. One piece and whiskey where yase pedino. You invite none of Nubia. Chiri, no, my yes, and Yanni. Say, we for Nigga San of Mumpre Jamafo.
Promo has said bedjo. Oh my Ghana said bedjo. Mountain, mountains, some Lewin so dear, I also the Garcia was saying. We are church member and Tina also do an offer to me, Biana. Hey! And we are see where party is through Nipo, then you need check and say Saturday baby. I saw 4 more talk in your market capono, and yen Sofo Bella Maquaba, a director of Bruce Maquaba.
Yeah, media. The Jew so far, Papa.
Sofo.
What do you?
Eh, it's a heavy Namomia Koyana, Sofo. It was shy, dear, a rebel of Obofour, and your papa doomed shade, yes. I don't pay more creeper into ye, I don't quite dear bread a Christopher. I know how church members.
Oba Pamela was Mamencia motive for a chili and a bench. Now, media, what I know, they say, only friend each really friend of coming in our family.
Okay.
So, yes, now your friend said, or software, what is your mandatory? Or software, or software. Senyame appointed as the chosen vessel to lead a generation to a destination there. What is your main aim?
The most common.
What you say? What is your aim purpose? And I said, a dear general or entrusted, and I said, one from or friend will mean.
Okay.
It be a miss call, it means your call on phone, direct one.
Miss call any day.
I was a question about banner of phone in Afric.
Okay. Now
we'll free the panel for any panel. Then you are passing the panafre.
Okay.
A woman suffer about 20 million and Casa. So what you say? Bible said no passing me, or Papa, will be perish of word Juma or paid Juma Papa. 1 Timothy chapter 3, verse 1 to 7. Now so, dear, a set of one is a 1 year and once a linka. Or your Bakuku, Nanny Shudao, now be no mote, or Yan who say, Unima Hoye, Unimunche, or Yan Sabia. Or you pupu or deep or morally feels ye man and man esenasi and munyam groom. So what you say? Or some that was or ya are barefoot. Now I'm right and shrub on some atom. I can punch it blankly 100%. Tells it or say they are fighting about souls.
So,
oh yeah, I can't baby.
Ah.
Yeah,
I can't be blessed. I'm not sorry.
Obia, sorry you.
It's in a crown more open.
And yeah, sorry.
Okay.
So what you say? A yakra.
I can't, Papa.
One said, now maybe a general reverend at a shopper.
Okay.
Now, of all said charismatic shatter. Or your boss, so what you say. Or better now, so for a period of time. But I know overtaking is allowed in the realms of the spirit. And a papa about the son, Hoko. Every be a Jamuna, a Apricum, my daughter. ebaya be yo pamo ebaya be yo binim ebaya be ye Sofo boache ebaya dito mu nyina de om dia ba be fam ko so ti ase media de bia metaka se ofrem Adom ne mosran every Nazareth ne ba Yesu Kristo you stand the test of time. 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 24 eba Bible say en se rade akwa bi se okun e wo se odu bete ma nipa nyinara e wo se wo hunu nkyerɛkyerɛ so ti ase e do bi nkoham na obonsam ye obu obonsam akyekyere ne se onye de ope so ti ase enti all the time bi a anwo no okun yakosam o ti bi twatwo to so wa sell din wa sell carrier yemra lewe so I'm disappointed in Lewe. Big time. I'm very disappointed. And that means all that while you were working for Reverend Jessica. I don't know, are you okay?
No, our friend, no.
And
now our friend, I'm a bad.
And Juma, oh, sorry.
So you are working till I'm a casa.
Maybe, oh, sorry. Now, as a man of God, ebe free obema usika me mfa bedi hunu ye ono ana samso na me gina lewe na ana samso me mfa bedi but as a man of God be employ say twiakra man na oma usika na won so age na da bi so lewe na nka sanso nya papa
oh so me so to me lewe no Kristo ni enti so
enti Bible say o Kristo ni enji ademudie ana mu ni Bible Exodus woman kai Leviticus woman kai enja de modie na friend wa enti na minister lawyer koje bribe wa oji bi wumpatugo ewunkwase ewuo no ademudie we bribe die e friend wa ne si aso de e was a bim de wode man no enti na da news we kwa kire se ebia aye mo ka ne sei mo we bia mo de man no ebia aye alert ebia na de me ya bia papa no kwa na watu ani a wo tai etechiri na wodi na chi yeye na bia wo kwa ya so kutu pon baabi
na wo try say Adom chere ama Louis Kent
na
church member wo
emfa
okay
emfa so de adwuma na wo ye utimi no reverend eko bibisia na da me so de ni papa so ti ase obi a no akọ na kra na ye nim say the past previous years when the reverend betali mu a the 31st night the program you here now the mo na wa se sa ye ko nya mi fie okoto rep no so Obofour ni stage so a okuta poma videos wo when ye bibia mo ase ye mo no kro no so ti ase when kire o se nipa ye wicked enti na Bible count Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 7 o se enu mi nka onipa o ni nenu to onipa so na o di say nipa ne na basa eni chebi ubonso yi wo ma. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Papa, don't you think say bia niema Reverend Obofour ye no Louis na
niema
ye try ye ntina afi do person wa kan wa
ntina da bi so to be cast woni me say papa no more ye ntwa ye na woni na ye adwuma
ayi ye wo si me nchi akra bro na ma chi akra dia bre na
you be cast woni me say papa na dia na wonye e do ye na nye na wo ye ya atwe akra ma na akra na de ko onko nne that I so the friend train for me I quite here. Ah, I got time with him. And say, would you credit coy? And then one who can't give my one in the coy. Can't see about one of the best at every show. Well, I give out to be a one to say, ye young coupon, ye sin up to Bible or see the nipple go and no bad ye. Obecha, so who papa be papa. Who prayer, who bonia, ever swap on what's the so she said, when you are too free, oh, you were to my own say, every papa win, or ye actor, or ye juma.
Okay.
So she said, it's a phone call from and phone call Jim. Ayakra, my canopy, Ayakra. And I will say, I can't wash on the mania, or you're not born in Pano. Both pastors in a reverend, you have a pardon, Jebia. I can't name no more you. It's all woman's toes and crania, and you don't have any apparent or sacra. So she said, and Tinamia, you are doing one more killer. What just in a new mobile? And Sasso said, who makes me and Pofona could destination be? And so, why drive our own cook anymore? It is also over. No, did you want to that means bridge ama. Malachi chapter 2 verse 7 to 9. Bible said, also put be a general to say Obofour. And some part a PF also for the Numanian Quasiasem. And yet Jimmy some and some four.
And now which I'm Quasiasem or Mokicano.
Oh, now also for the Ochimin also for Day. Both passes in here, and yet day. Yeah, and I did kind of match you woman. Also, born summer in here, and one would yap prayer, and then a set in here, Jina. And to both of us, I'm pretty good, baby, I know cassette Yagana Sofo. Because of small mistakes in it. Now, or in Afra, Adentia, born someone as Sofo. First Timothy chapter 5 verse 2, Bible says, one woman now could be born some children.
First Timothy chapter 5
verse 15.
Okay.
If you saw money, I could be born some children, born some slow. My mom was sick, our mom fame, my mom be on baby. I didn't know when you know yet. So I said, but I no main count. I was one count. I had to be a because Alpha and Omega, brand and Yabre in the realms of the spirit. So we have no idea, we have no clue. What there will be all born or super form what's here. Christo or minimum, as I did the home be a wedding, and the good penny. Never be a Uber house. What Kenya near some will be I trust in the body, while I trust in the show now, Jenny, and you tap into the soul or so for the corner. Sorry, many have your and I'm maybe running over for the worker in a bow. By you, maybe so 100% on authority.
But never you have to say, Bay want to be any idea free so.
TMA, Bible card, you wouldn't want about Bible. I remember scriptures. Bible, Bobby, years so. 189 chapters. Ah, oh, yeah, me, Mabiculano. Leviticus chapter 19, verse 26, Cocking Kyei. Oh, Bobby, years so. Deuteronomy chapter 18, verse number 9, copy 14, or Bobby, years so. Or Bon Saman Fresso, or Bobby 4 Sabos from Congo, or said you from Congo. It's a young Alaba, Ababaka said, you are a powers, a principality, dominions, rulers of darkness. Oh,
now what try some are referable for Ken, let us say a new great road.
I am sometime. Oh, sir, when you penny the Abra, Candia, I was so show maturity, and show respect.
For one show maturity, I mean, there will be paper.
Oh, dear neighbor, I was a good chill woo and my penny. Matthew chapter 7, verse 10, a radical. Or say, dear Obesi penny said, and Raka. Okay. So we are what Jimmy over 2 panels. Oh, maybe Matthew chapter 7, verse 10. So, yes, and you be a or no way Jacob be an HSA, only what you pay you. Or about time when the Baba don't do and the Titan. So, yes, it is sometimes so. I was so show respect and the elders. And yes, sir, Papa Baba 2 years to Manase, or by my making a guarantee Debbie and guarantee. And yes, I don't know to Nasu Quebec to say, I can't cry. So, yes, but as a leader, you set example for others to follow. Again, Tokakuma 10 years, and then Basa, and they have to move, and they say so you leader. A leader is being led by example. Yes, Anamoka. It's a way I shall say, Chima.
Papa, this is myself, besides what I am for.
I am just support the Chima. It is an actor. Uchimiko, now go Jessica, Echo Chinakra, and more software. Are you okay?
And I thought, and then did that on no one himself, or we are doing a mini pack. It's a Chinakra, to be a Christian in a Christian. Make sure your first speakers now go Chinakra. I have a pebble castle with me, Moses, Capudo said,
you want to be good and was a son of a Ebia, the Oyaman are suddenly, and I was in a club with Baba. Sorry. Ebia, Lewen, Judge, you will pass off from one. Show appreciation. Okay. A Bible will. A Jacob Maxi and Nisho, and Yamadi Wima, and my boy, Timber Guben must say, Ebia, Sissima, myself from Kutupa, and I'll give you. Where I have any power wrong. Any pie by a winner now. I am a control with Facebook page. Wouldn't pie idea? Some are smart. Some are fast, some are quick, some are having a very bad character. So in tempted here. Say the Bible is from who and muscle. Kind of be so only panic party that. I heading character is said very. So yes, Sika, Eba toy. sika wo e won taman etimi tuko ba enhira no bi a woni sika kakra ware so na ba ebuburuja obi won so ba betu sika ne hu e wo kwan e wo ho so ti ase but to this extent ye wuni peli mo sasa
so ma me mesa ba wo so director me ma kwa ba bio
yeah me there
director that's the way when you be say and I read am no kan ye na just say aya wo style director ye show ye papa adum chendua or see be ye bi ani ho only da ka wona so say be ye ni won me ma agiri for fire agiri ni
be ye wo so onya be ye wo
Reverend Obofour si be ye wo ho
be ye wo ho
Sofo be na so say be ye wo ho et no
Bible mo be ye so dia na wa se
Sofo mechanic say Adom chendua ken Reverend Obofour so candidate papa ye mo de hin na ye mfa o mo to koye ni na o mo sa elko
me cha wati fo abi da a sad day for Christianity. Sabe, Christo some edu time we are to a young pia and my young home. This I say a fana, ye the Christo by a say no behavior, and as I say no ye no or G Christo soon see. Near your friend say Bernard Cano in a way it's right, in a way our divert a bit. Bay your but and yes, what do I dream?
Yeah,
because Africa, idea high and say, ya too superstitious.
Yeah,
and to be BSC a queen to me queen.
Okay.
Or be a we are bekum, or brony this again. Internet in the spirit, no, a free up to move. By any attitude.
Every time Piano said Banner before, no more the year compared
because you're two races, no, we are saying, and you have brought before. And then a back air conquer, and yet in Shira, yes, Muntio. What shall ye, yes, I Africa, yes, area by Jimmy, yet in your team. Yeah, I dear be where to tell me, I saw ya yako. They be able to say, I again. Obi wo kwa Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Seek knowledge first.
Massa, seek no better way. Nyame on to man abiem.
Yeah.
On to man wajai. Koye juma na bon paye. No shall won sa no juma. Sa no catch we Abraham. Sa no catch Jacob. O se me shall won sa no juma. Kwa kase me shall won no paye juma.
There be.
What did I make that say? Okay. So we need to be up and doing as Christians. They be a young now, no be free here. We need to learn and read the Bible. It's because the people who are almost your masino, almost near Christopher. Me na me was very work my giant.
That's only Christopher.
I'm near Christopher.
Now Christopher.
Oh, Sana Mecano. Because I am Christopher, and I would say I saw him. Now you Yahweh cost one come sorry, sorry. You are just a being.
Never pardon Chedja or Bessa up to Reverend Obofour so
you don't have
power beyond it. You don't have power.
You don't have power.
What is
Reverend Anthony Boachier? I will. What about the chair men? Some of the chair power. Anyway, Papa. Yaku drop woman or city Papa boy. What I will you for bed Everton Tamwana. You don't have any cocoa. Only she. What you say? Only she. Aya, obi owo power. En kasa bibiri. Obi okuta tumi bia. Owo zibiti bibiri o.
Antina wo charge nchede oni tu.
Bibi adi kutre ya. Oni we.
Chede kutre ya.
Oni we. Oni ara.
Adom say.
Ma ho.
Antina mo body the day odi nya Adom.
Eya 2007.
Eya again.
2027. What you ma ho to that limit. That's it.
Say awo me wo.
3
years here by now.
So 4 years or 5 years back on one. What your mouth time around here? I have short limited time. Yamia should be a should be in Kontokwa. That's what is in the scriptures. Say I should be Kontokwa that will be one some to me. Our the bantam or best over some the kingdom of light and upon some to be tuned for so that. And I have been so many ages time. I have a permanent.
What's your amount up to 2020 then?
2027 what is?
2027. Now I said you are not I
Merci. If we are me and free am
Yet to our Casano. Pentecost by yes, I mean.
But still,
wow, sorry, a bit bango, not and sorry, the bango, not a coffin. Every yammy, make a catch. When you're Obinobeka, asori afi nyame no say your friend leader ewu a it lives on.
Yeah, obeja wa ko ni ya ko bi.
Yes, ko asoro no. Oja asoro no ekoye. What time Christopher you gain
a disgrace to Christianity.
Yamagata say and ye gain sa at the end of all castle different. I am back. The beer again. What's away missing a bunch? Now Benyanqua now Jimmy dear oh yeah Benyanqua because Yame not the same we are like little gods. Yeah. Yame can be a text at work. Yeah. Mr. Papabi go and search for him. Referee kakra. Osha come said right now it's about 600-700 years ago. But what but every year it happens. Not on Jinya Bipondi. There be a say Christopher, let's be careful. Sir obi miracles sir. And not just of Iname there be Moses or Pharaoh a honor. Oh ye be. Miracles and Chesa Ufinyame. Now only Africans and Ghanaians no we after miracle. But a miracle ben since what done when Yane. And the Bible so kind. What did I mean? Because Sauda, what you may be a war. But Unyania, God has awakened you. What is the biggest miracle? But we after things that we can even achieve it with hard work. So what I say, then be a self accused and say, time my bonsam nyame insurano ebebeno na bonsam eyakosawo. Yeah. It's most of it near the glory in my bonsam. Yeah. But nyame ya de na wie o bompa ye no e time and season. Yeah. Ade bi o nyame de ma we net tomorrow you die. Yeah. Obonsam be ma so that you will die. Yeah. It's wo brade bi o bompa ye emere na ensu ye nyame de be ma. But time now who call conform one or yeah, sometimes then you the mouth, but who know you are giving glory to is that's it. Yeah, careful because baby are almost and yet to the glory of God. Almost glorify their own self. Yeah. Almost yes, I know. Almost per 2 million more. Yeah. Because I don't know me be any baby. Me say who call sorry be. Nani panic Bruce. Ezekiel chapter 30. What do you want? Obiami Ezekiel chapter 30 verse 1 to end. Or say, Odinfo bi obebonya mi bidin. Na obelio, egwa kwa kugwa ni nyani mudin, dwienya mane ho. Okay, nkamba verse 1 na bepem verse 9. Okwa ni tenjo. Or say, na omu do omu tena so. Eya akakabe nsem edi mensem. Actually said, one more cassa will be a foodie. I remember for sure, so for bien what for betting a benson, so for bien what ma was. Sir, and I'm about potential say will be a bon summer salon. So as you see, Satan warm pie. It's in the course of the kingdom of darkness. It's with the little ones I also said, Talabon power, and I mean, when you don't say Talabon. Why don't Elijah could young Kupo catch and say, Raddy, men probably would give for Ayaka. I didn't know catch or say, like a shut up over there. I have 5,000 people who are stronger than you. I won't tell you who. About this Saturday night and put down. Now I won't take Anna, what's it, or my year, Tantani, your fee, and you're trying out some Emma. So, yes, I this say, on fashion when you will be. And you wouldn't know the Munyan come home, and I may be Yammy, and I may be Yammy, and I'm being Messiah, resurrection, my mayor, Urafiana. Pentecost for Penimpodu Koa, say about a Swasham Pie or Ruby Kuon. And I want video, and the Pentecost Namua, now Pentecost Namu. Just look at this blasphemy was. Obi a so gonna the no salary. Now I'll be tapping into Amantia. Is it a sin? Air bonnet. Air bonnet. A two caucus of Pentecost, that mean you are Pentecost. Yes, she didn't have. I was present. Pentecost actually grown. That was 2017. 17 years ago. One born payachi be my born some life. Meme so. Wow. Emma area money that you can query. Life empire tongues. To be said yes, I'm doing it. I am not Pentecost. I have for Chapas and Penny to be Cassetia. Any baby never from Pentecost. What would you pass your Sunday Jimmy Sam? And to be about no and will be about. Oh, pardon them was ra. Ah? Say I tell oh for Sofo na so be you public. Who show maturity neighbor? Who show maturity? Who show growth?
who show respect no the call on the amount penny for so what you say obi wa kwa de unimu de unimu be no acho me ba you say na me hwiase wa entudu a maintain ho you say what man sustain ho na yenso ye mo mpa ye nta mo chi what you say but ne he odi ne he so what you say o sofo na minu ma betwam o ma me twa se hwe kuma so eni anokwa hwe kuma so sofo bi odi ba be wo hwe kuma so sofo bi odi minu ma me twa se minu ni twam me I was listening to on radio me odi ameba I was listening to it on radio and Musam say what a fuck it's when we na from one so
hey no so what a fuck
Bible say mu akwasiare ne nsan fo so anye ne nso nyansafo ene jimi
okay
Psalm 1 verse 10 the radio say nji yon kokobo o se be ba on the boy for jiji wa mpene so ti ase e te wo sa mu set standard sa mu si mu ye nyame asofo a set standard bi meni mo nyam ne mra e no kwasi ampani bia be di watam so ti ase 1,000 life obi a osofo bia wona tanfo osofo bia wona dafo na dofo ho e se bibi kwa na papa ni kwa ya wo a e bia na di kwasubo mpe na bibia nko yi you can set it amicably behind the scene oja ja do me yere je mpe o da so the pass me tia na so a obi funku obi mfumu ya wo set standard o se na bibi ba e wa para na obusu be mpa na ado adanya abifu bibu nkotojo wa e ka kire se osofo ukọ nkotojo ni pa obi chewa and just want to wadom no ho sraso e kire maturity e kire growth e kire se wo bu di manipa o me ba mafum wo me na ngutu me pa chawo daddy o ba o wo bu di meja o be show mu da mpa cho so di na o daddy da o ba asene pa no be mo dun nkotojo agufom within some minutes mo page out e kire obuo e kire se nwenko ni radi an trust o e go ma saw mu na saw you respect them o pe o mo mu ni wa o ni wo o ba so na se church members ba ku kwanu a ayi wa dum chedua ayi reverend Obofour e chi ni members to wa so show te o se o bu ma pa bi o do surunku bi e radi kan ma chi mu ma o se bi o dan hwefo pa na odwan hwefupa bi on ne kra ato o ma odwan ya wayera so ti ase ba kwa yira de but odwan 99 nyina ha no e ko hwehwe de wayera ho the prodigal son e bi si o Bible musa enti no eye nhweso ni se na ho e de ma nchirima won to aso so ti ase ba nya tedie ene we aba ochine we yaba ochine we ya wa me dia wa wo dia anaye dey
ene ye de ba so mami director yen show me da se pass up for wakasa pa nya me en show yen show we no asemi de na can follow we no be bia even though so a church member e we papa dum chedi a asafo mu na ni win so wa ba begina wa kan semodi na wa betumu e na me kwa wo ma me 15,000 down kan 15,000 15,000 na me che dom ene ya ba na se ene ye se ene ye sale win so ade o ye chaye
jimie ni kwasesem le when de bia me say sika emie ni pani because baby anka ni di bia do ni sika wanya kaka nyame ato nsem no I expect him to behave differently but obi ebi to say nia na ote na you see ewiase yanka sesa na meti o obi o ka sesa na meti no na wajimi we grow we grow till we can say bro, 5 years ago, then you said not you. I have grown. Obi awenyi na wajimi. Thank you. It is a sembe oba ye na jimi na ode ba ya. Every time ya wo kasa mu no, e say wo say maturity ba. Wo gina ho ene kasa, wo di 15,000. Do you know that's a crime? That I know him.
That I will check out my
I say eye.
We go check out jiska.
Eye aka no twi yo.
Okay.
I say omo yaza. Unim say a crime. And now say obegina so na kan no. So
police also
you have to arrest him.
I will say it.
Yes, because
now
what will be am what be. Sana de tie. What begina e no kan. But you see the one and what nipa on your oma ye adwuma nyina have problem with him. Say oyo sisifo. Lewe obi oni na ye adwuma say oyo sisifo. Wono ye ka say Kumawood
ni ogu na elwi na gu no
oh director na
me ka sam me pa to kena me flow ma me chori am oye satam na le when ye movie no kwaku manu na edi ne ba movie industry wonu wo wo kwaku manu ase e mo fimu satam na eja ko na na wo so all war ase e ma eja ko fimu le when na wo ya film get man o boss ba ultimate edi the rough. Is it no real life? No, can you do that?
No.
It's a film now. We can look at now. Go away and then it's a new baby. They were not taking the film seriously. What in America? Storyline in here, not all of us say. Who did I say you want to what? Bring up the industry again. You are doing your own thing. Build up some. What can I say, Master? If you want to build up, oh friend, penny falling now. What's the way for it? You don't go on set and call them. Say, come and let's work. Industry woman, you can't even do it well, and you want to talk about somebody? God damn it!
Ish, some no ayekes.
That be enye. What is if you are enye, enche, and you my papa enche. What you say? When say I had to be a make say attend what you are trying to read that ana. So what you say? Enche me media I had be a enye. I was see a casa about it. Ye tia. You also penny 40. We also Ghana police friend. No more question. What you say? Tiabema ye nyame adwuma no.
There was a ye so Obofour to come.
So no can answer. Obofour no me ka we. Obofour kwa say wo onimo. Wo so onimo no. No, who cast someone to be so a your way against mine.
Yeah.
Make me paper be any ho.
Agreement.
Me ba me hu da. Oh, ebia so ba so yo e aso nipa. Me no need that. You can't do anything. It's who can't say my you're careful.
Papa, no boss man.
I know the man can. I said no can. Only you also need. Your friend say the industry no woman no. You were Reverend Adom take off for womb. You were both for womb. As an actor, you don't become biased and be yourself. So when you're maybe now someone you did not some now who know in your best show I say for person or can. You go for kind. Man mercy.
Soft medasi pa director Sofo. Oja wa wudi ma be sure futo be na wo edema oyonkwa Sofo.
Me dey bet ma ka che Reverend say ya o kan kasa bia onye very careful because enipa dom e na ehwe. Enipa e na no mi fiura na me wo dem say Osofo be he wa dan for Sofo be me ba ya Reverend Obofour. Na me was say hwe de oye. Ubejina ti woni ye bompa o kika nkemu ma adi ye ni nyina ba mu he de onua na ye mon ka san kyerɛ na me se fiura me de say o ti na me nka se fa koto so ti ase enkyere obu enkyere maturity nyame de of oyufu adum kwa adum me se o nyame akɔ bi okontokɔ bi amfiri alpha ni omega me can jam 100% authority nyame akɔ bi anu bi ankontokwa so no be kontokwa de bi a altars and they fight again and why you say onyam na nso nkyere be wurat Elijah yebi Apostle Paul ba ebe winning souls Shadrach Meshach na Abednego ebe kyere power ya nso nyame ye nyame anye kwa ya nso nyame erade sane de je won en ka osofo de be hu mu anka bibi sei bu enye banta wo so ti o brother ye nyina ye adwuma ma Kristo ba ko e de na kyere mpo se mu nyina mo ya asofo me nkasa be bi obenya ansafo ebu ni be ye nka na sem obese di bua wa nyame ya Adom a Friday ochina Friday anopa sori wo ho ye saase by 8 ni apon wi by 12 afen so Friday na nwumre ye war night ye saase by 7 ni ye say nwunase by 10 ni apon anopa by 5 ye war night empire bon kwa obese ye twetwe nkomo ni di bua wo bibi mu nso a wonti be ma frame number we so mo a mo frame a mo di nkwase asem so me so nkwase asem so enen semfon so me sramu 0249631876 0249631876 afenso min chaponche min konsum enko yi apaye share me Facebook prophetic benadisia yem twetwe baba
Yo, ebusia aha na breme ma me kwan ama me di mose na nsa na no Mary di comments ni bi e di acho youngest sellers or say we will never move forward in this world. Why are we fighting ourselves? They have to do that because we pastors don't love ourselves, so they have to. So what you want to for the moon no more to say and beba Abraham Mensa say don't mind Bobby, okay? or see the Oplo Ghana me the means somehow when you brought forward trade a more adding Abraham say Abraham say no one is perfect. In Timba for say Lewin is a musician, so he was invited to perform shows, not working for Obofour. He Obofour even knows Lewin is a church member of Adom Kyei. In Timba for say your penalty start bias. The sculpture guy, moya bias. Somebody can say mo trope at the bar a comment section making Kyei achem koswa a share link in the farmer when your farmer Obofour be na said the bear too much Dani Dano, ye just say near Pesen someone. Won't so Betsy and woman near air coswo. Ever your my Ghana, Mumia me dean, semi one charming me dean, Eddie F. Aha, a ye took my GH, Macram.